Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Teaching in the Living Room. Today I just want to spend 2 minutes and talk about kind of meaningful discussion or um, interaction in my now online class and what that looks like. And so I have this group of 60 students that I'm responsible for figuring out engagement and participation and what do I do? And so typically in online format, we have our Carmen Canvas discussion board and we tell our students go ahead and write one authentic kind of post or comment and then review two of your peers and comment on those. And it's usually never very engaging for the students. It's not very authentic. And you as an instructor have to sift through all that and it's not fun for anyone. So what if I encourage you to kind of break all your students out into smaller groups of maybe 4 to 6 and identify that in their small groups, they're going to do discussions around particular topics. And how do you manage this even? And so what you can do is you can identify a lead or tell the group to self-identify a lead for the first week or the second week. And that lead is responsible for setting up the time, figuring out the technology, leading the discussion, taking notes, and then ultimately reporting back to you and the rest of the class via video, maybe a 2 to 5 minute video, what their group talked about and what were the themes that came out of it. And so now instead of sifting through 60 students, you're really only reviewing 10 in this scenario of what they're doing and how they're managing that discussion. And then the next discussion, there's a new lead in the group that is identified. And then the next discussion, there's a new lead. And you can see in this model, the lead gets 10 points every time. And each participant kind of gets 3 points. And this is just arbitrary and it can be subject to change. But for our example, every student could get up to 25 participation points if they go through this whole kind of discussion process in the next 4 weeks. So I hope that helps paint a new picture for you of ways you can engage with your students and make it more manageable for you, more engaging for them, and a little bit more exciting for everyone to participate in your now online class. So as always, keep teaching.osu.edu for more info and the latest and greatest. You guys are awesome. You're doing amazing. Keep going, and we'll be back soon with more.